Hi friends, how are you? I'm sure that you are great, wonderful, and fabulous. So, we are going to enjoy, we are going to screen, we are going to learn about letter writing, पत्र लेखन. हमारी परीक्षा में एक बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल होता है कि write a letter that could be familiar letter or that could be a formal letter. So, as far as letter writing is concerned, there are two types of letter: formal letter and informal letter. So, if you are writing letter to your higher authorities, to your junior authorities, to your class teacher, your principal, police commissioner, assistant police commissioner, health department, different HODs, head of the departments, society manager, chairman. So this kind of letters that is called formal letters. अगर आप अपने क्लास टीचर को, प्रिंसिपल मैम को, पुलिस कमिश्नर को, पुलिस सब इंस्पेक्टर को, विभिन्न विभाग के प्रमुख अधिकारियों को जब हम पत्र लिखते हैं तो इस पत्र को हम फॉर्मल लेटर बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द फीचर्स, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर्स? इसमें क्या विशेषता क्या होती है? हम किन पत्रों को फॉर्मल लेटर बोल सकते हैं? जैसे कि हमने बताया कि जब हम इन अधिकारियों को पत्र लिखते हैं, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ लेटर्स आर कॉल्ड फॉर्मल लेटर्स. तो फॉर्मल लेटर में क्या होता है? The very first thing that we have to use formal language, well respected language. You cannot use hi, hello, how are you, how the things are going on. No, this kind of familiar language or casual language is absolutely not required, not accepted in the formal letter. We have to always give respect in the formal letter. There should be point to point. Considering the subject, all points need to be enhanced over there in a very short and sweet manner. कम से कम शब्दों में आप जो लिखना चाहते हैं, उस अधिकारी को बताना चाहते हैं, वो वहाँ होना चाहिए. So minimum words with the maximum intention what you are looking for, what you are asking for, what you are informing for. So these kind of letters are called formal letters. Now second, informal letter. Yes, if you are writing letter to your mother, father, brother, sister, to your friends, to your relatives, yes, this type of letter called informal letter. Yes, here you have liberty. You can create some humor. You can use some familiar languages. In spite of dear papa, you can write dear pa, dear ma. So this kind of sentences allow in this informal letter. So what we have seen, two types of letter: formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter, if you are writing letter to the higher authorities, to your junior authorities, to the various departments head, this type of letters are called formal letters. Language should be very decent, respected, point to point, then that is going to become a effective letter. The examiner is going to give good marks. आउट ऑफ मार्क्स यू कैन स्कोर. आप 100% अंक इसमें पा सकते हैं लेटर राइटिंग में. इतना अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है. एट द सेम टाइम इट इज गोइंग टू एनहांस योर कॉन्फिडेंस. इट इज गोइंग टू ऐड ब्यूटी इन योर राइटिंग स्किल. बहुत ही अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है कि नॉट ओनली फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन बट फॉर ऑल्सो योर फ्यूचर एंड एज फार एज योर करियर इज कंसर्न. These writing skills are absolutely very important. So be focused, be systematic, be correct, be coherent, be authentic, be concrete in this subject. Now the next is informal letter we have seen to the family members, to your near and dears. Here we have liberty to use familiar sentences to create some jokes, humor, okay? But that should be in a limited way. So what we have to avoid, try to avoid the grammatical mistake, avoid spelling mistakes so that we can score good marks. जितना होता है उतना 100% अवॉइड करो. अनावश्यक चीज़ें अवॉइड करो. Perfection is most important thing that will create good impression in examiner's mind. Obviously, he is going to use soft mind and soft heart for you. So these are the letter writings, formal, informal, and the things, the characteristics and the features of the letter. Now let us take example. Now we will take one example as far as the informal letter is concerned. हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर के बारे में हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे कि सपोज आप हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, स्कूल के हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, आपकी ट्रिप महाबलेश्वर जा रही है एंड आपको आपके पिताजी से 4,000 रुपीज चाहिए बिकॉज यू वुड लाइक टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द ट्रिप. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ लेटर you have to write in the examination. So how you are going to enjoy, how you are going to write in the examination. So this is a pattern. Sender's name and address, very important. Sender's name and address and the date at the left side. If it is in the question paper, you can write as per the given information. Then we have to write salutation. If you are writing informal letter, so generally we use dear pa, dear ma, or dear mummy, dear sis, dear nanny. So we can use this kind of salutation. So here salutation we have written that dear papa. Now beginning of the letter, middle of the letter, end of the letter, subscription. These topics are the heart of the letter. So how we are going to start? आप पत्र की शुरुआत कैसे करेंगे? पहला पैराग्राफ किस तरह का होगा? So beginning of the letter. So we'll start. There is no letter from you from a long time. बहुत दिनों से आपकी तरफ से मुझे पत्र नहीं आया है. I hope you are all well there. मुझे पूरा यकीन है, विश्वास है आप वहाँ कुशल मंगल हो. Here, I am very happy and excited to inform you about my school trip. या मैं बहुत उत्सुक हूँ आपको बताने के लिए कि मेरे स्कूल की ट्रिप, मेरे कॉलेज की ट्रिप महाबलेश्वर जा रही है. So, this kind of approximately 5 to 6 sentences are very important in the first paragraph. Then beginning of the letter we have finished. Now the middle of the letter. This is called the heart of the letter. जिस विषय के बारे में आपको लिखना है, इस विषय के बारे में 100% इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ चाहिए. So first paragraph we have finished. Now the second paragraph, that is called the middle of the letter. So you can start. As far as our India is concerned, Himalaya is the crown of our country. And I am very proud to say Mahabaleshwar is the paradise of our Maharashtra. Right? It is full of nature beauty and one of the best places in our Maharashtra. Our school teacher has announced that in the next month we are going to Mahabaleshwar, and hence those students who would like to participate can register your name. Papa, I am very much excited to see Mahabaleshwar and close by Panchagni, as it is full of natural beauty and various beauty of the nature, atmosphere, various valleys are there. I am absolutely excited. Our school management has asked to pay rupees 4,000 to participate in the ट्रिप. हमारे स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट ने 4,000 रुपीज़ का उसके लिए चार्ज किया है. इट्स 2 and 4 चार्जेस, breakfast, lunch and staying charges over there. So you are asking rupees 4,000 from your father. So थोड़ा जरा मस्का लगाना पड़ता है. Okay. So dear Pa, our management asked rupees 4,000 to participate in the school trip. My humble request, my gentle request, Pa, kindly arrange to send rupees 4,000 on my bank account. Papa, कृपा करके जल्द से जल्द आप 4000 रुपीज मुझे भेज दीजिए, सो दैट आई कैन ज्वाइन द ट्रिप. I shall write all the information about Mahabaleshwar trip once I come back from the trip. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा जैसे ही महाबलेश्वर से मैं वापस आऊँगा, महाबलेश्वर के ट्रिप के बारे में मैं आपको सभी इंफॉर्मेशन दे दूँगा. महाबलेश्वर का भौगोलिक स्थान किस तरह का है, वहाँ की प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य, द प्लेट्यूज, वेरियस वैल्यूज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन in the letter to you. So this is about, we can say 8 to 10 lines. Now end of the letter. Convey my regards to mom. My sweet regards to our small Pappu. Thanking you. Subscription में yours lovingly, yours truly. So this kind of subscription you can mention over here. So this type of letter, this is called informal letter. You can add some different ornaments by using very different ornamental language, so that this will give a very effective presentation to the examiner, and definitely you can score wonderful marks. Out of marks, आप 100% marks इसमें पा सकते हैं. So these kind of letters, you can write letter to your sister, your brother. You can invite your friends for your birthday party at your home. So you can write a letter. You can write letter to your uncle. So congratulations के ऊपर आपका खत लिखना हो सकता है. You can invite your relatives to your home because some celebration is there, some function you have arranged. So these kind of letters are called informal letter. Now let us enjoy one formal letter. एक फॉर्मल लेटर के बारे में we are going to enjoy, so that it will be easy for us to understand the subject very thoroughly. Suppose आप जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं वहाँ कचरा का कूड़ा बहुत हो गया है और उसके कारण गंदगी भी बहुत फैल रही है. स्वास्थ्य के बारे में अनेक इशू होने की संभावना है. आपके सोसाइटी चेयरमैन ने ऑलरेडी कारपोरेशन को बताया मगर उसके ऊपर अब तक एक्शन नहीं हो गया है. सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट लेटर टू द कंसर्न अथॉरिटी about the problem of your society. Yeah. Now see, this is formal letter. In the formal letter, points are very important. Then respect, the proper format is very important. So yes, here you can write your name, your address, your society address, and date. So the reader should know from where the complaint is come, from where we are getting this information. Yeah, now here we can write respected health officer or chief health officer, पुणे कारपोरेशन, क्योंकि वह वहाँ के प्रमुख अधिकारी है. तो हमको हेल्थ ऑफिसर को हमने पत्र अगर लिखा है, so definitely he is going to take action. So your name, your address, your date to health officer, और dear health officer भी आप लिख सकते हैं, और respected health officer Pune Municipal Corporation. All three sentences, salutations are correct. Now next is subject. बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होता है. कम से कम शब्दों में पत्र में क्या लिखा है एक सेंटेंस में आपको बताना है. सो हाउ वी कैन से, ड्यू टू heap of garbage, comma, health issues in our society. This is subject. Then now आप इसके बाद में क्या लिखने वाले हैं. अभी उन ऑफिसर को हमको बताना है कि हमारे सोसाइटी में इसके कारण ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, आप किस तरह से गंदगी फेस कर रहे हैं. अगर इसको कम से कम समय में, जल्द से जल्द समय में वो कचरा कूड़ा अगर नहीं निकाला गया तो क्या संभावना है हेल्थ के बारे में. सो यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन इन द लेटर. I am staying in Karamummi society, which is close to Lohegaon near airport. I have observed that since last 1 week, there is a huge heap of garbage near the gate. Since last 8 days, it is not clean. And we are facing a very severe health issues, क्योंकि उसके कचरा कूड़े का गंदगी से बास आता है, बहुत गंदा बास आता है, उसके कारण हेल्थ के बारे में, स्वास्थ्य के बारे में उसका विपरीत परिणाम हो सकता है, स्वास्थ्य के अनेक सवाल खड़े हो सकते हैं. सो कंसिडरिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, I am worried that there should not any major problem as far as our health is concerned. Hence, my gentle request, kindly instruct your ward office to send cleaning staff to clean the garbage heap from our society. आप आपके जो संबंधित विभाग के प्रमुख हैं उनके स्टाफ को आप बता के they can come here and they will clean our heap of garbage. Our society chairman, he has informed you about the same, but the action is not yet taken. हमारे सोसाइटी चेयरमैन ने इसके पहले भी आपके डिपार्टमेंट को इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, मगर अभी तक तो उसके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में कुछ एक्शन नहीं हो गया है. Hence, considering the importance and health issues problem, I am requesting you again to kindly take fastest actions upon the same. Kindly take earliest action upon the same. उसके बारे में कम से कम वक्त में आप एक्शन ले लो, क्योंकि ये हेल्थ के बारे में इशू है, ताकि हमारे सोसाइटी के लोग, सोसाइटी के सदस्य बीमार न गिरे. थैंकिंग यू, अवेटिंग योर क्विकेस्ट रिप्लाई एंड एक्शन. योर सिंसियरली XYZ. सो इस तरह के जो लेटर्स होते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड द फॉर्मल लेटर. इफ यू आर राइटिंग लेटर टू योर क्लास टीचर, सपोज आपको 2 दिन के लिए आपके नेटिव प्लेस में जाना है, आपके गांव में जाना है, आपके कजिन की शादी है, सो यू कैन राइट लीव एप्लीकेशन टू योर क्लास टीचर. यू कैन राइट एप्लीकेशन टू योर प्रिंसिपल. यू कैन राइट लेटर टू योर chairman. You can write letter to your HOD. You can write letter to the police officer, police commissioner, the concerned department head. So this type of letters, this is called formal letter. So let us come to the conclusion. We have seen that in the examination, as far as writing skill is concerned, letter writing is such a subject where we can score out of marks. पत्र लेखन या इस तरह का प्रश्न है कि जिसमें हम अच्छे अंक प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, 100% अंक इसमें हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. सो इसमें 2 टाइप होते हैं, फॉर्मल लेटर, इनफॉर्मल लेटर. इफ यू आर राइटिंग लेटर टू द हायर अथॉरिटीज, टू योर जूनियर अथॉरिटीज, टू योर प्रिंसिपल मैम, respected HODs, so this kind of format, this kind of letters are called formal letter. Yes, we have to use very specific formal language, respected language. We have to respect to the concerned officer, his authorities, so that your words are very important. As we know that words can kill, words can heal, words can construct, they can destroy. So words are very powerful. शब्दों में बहुत जान होती है, पावर होती है. जितने आप जेंटल रहेंगे, the more you kind, the quickest you are going to get positive reply. So use your language very sophisticated, very kind and very gentle. As we have seen that, avoid grammar and spelling mistakes so that the examiner will be very happy. He will be very positive about your letter. Informal letter, family, near and dears, to your periphery, relatives. Yes, here you have some liberty, you have freedom to use some casual language to create some humor, and yes, you can create some smileys also. And we have seen the 2 types, formal letter type 1 letter and second informal letter. I am sure that you are going to secure very good marks in the examination, because letter writing is one of the finest subject, one of the finest question where we are going to enhance, we are going to brighten our writing skill. Thank you so much.